Let's start. It is by logic that you prove, but by intuition that you discover. This was rightly pointed out by Henry Poincare. A mathematics subject as a whole is thus comply on its terms. Mathematics is a science rather than an individual subject, which many of us have to give in our school and colleges level. Now let's talk about the book Dr. KSC Transform Calculus Fourier Series and Numerical Methods, Numerical Techniques. This book is very important for VTU University because, as some of you may have known, that most of the questions in this book are directly taken and put in the paper. I mean the final year, the final exam paper which you get at the end of the semester. Next question would be where to get this book. You can get it in Amazon or Sapna Online. I got this book from Sapna Online. Else, if you live in Bangalore, you can come and go to any of the premier bookshops like Sapna. So as you can see, the glimpse is given and model 1, everything in this is given in quite detail. So we'll be having 5 models, as there are 5 models in this book, 5 models in the question paper, and each model will get 20 marks. There can be 3 questions inside it or 4, it depends on the writer. This book is simple to understand, and if the teacher have taught you anything and if you have not understood, then don't be scared, because if you read this book your concepts will get cleared very much. The examples are given at great length of the book. Now let's talk how it is made. What the basic structure of this book. Let's go to the chapter which I am very much familiar in order to tell you. Yeah, this chapter was recently started, and before each example or start of a separate exercise, the author gives a good view of the theory of the next section, as well as he also provides you with the steps of what needs to be followed. So if you are having any difficulty solving the problem, and then you can look at this and it will help you. Lot of questions are there, you can keep practicing. It may look a thin book, but inside it is a lot of material. As you can see, previous papers answers are also given, that means it's important, and hence it is one of the best books, because as you can see, the author is described this very clearly. He has given diagrams, he has explained step by step integration. However, if you are just beginning for integration, I will not suggest that this book will be too easy, because some of the steps are given direct. If you apply direct integration, you have some limits from, for example, integration of x from a to b. The author might directly give you b square by 2 minus a square by 2. That is, integration of x is a square by 2, and when you apply the limits from a to b, the lower limit is a, upper limit is b, then you'll get b square by 2 minus a square by 2. These shortcuts have been used in order to simplify the problem as well as shorten the length, so you don't get scared by seeing. At the end of all the exercises, we have this assignment It's like an exercise only. You can try it out, these problems, and it's very good. Answers are also given, as you can see. Answers are some hints. Then tables are given for good guidance. I would say you can mark this table. It will be very important for revision. As I just pointed out, these are some of the advantages of KSC. Let's look at some more. Alphabetical index. For example, you are finding for any small topic. For example, Euler's formula. You can look here 109. You can open up. Okay, you can open up that page. You can study that. As you can see, Euler's formula. You can study that. Very good. You don't have to always keep referring the index for all these small things. At the end, you have some quick glance also. For example, before going to exam, you want some brush up, quick revision. You can do this. It's very good. These are, as I told, the advantages of KSC. Now let's talk about the drawbacks. As I already told, some steps may not be given very clearly. For people who are at the intermediate level, it is very good book. People are just beginning, don't have much fair knowledge, don't have that much practice, who are directly coming from diploma or any other field, or doesn't have practiced 12th maths properly. For them it might be a bit difficult, but integration is the core of engineering mathematics, and you can't get through without practice integration and differentiation. Differentiation is not so much, but integration is very much. You can understand. Let's get into the conclusion part. What is the suggestions? Suggestions: if you are in VTU, then this book is like the Bible or whichever holy book you want to tell. Okay, it is good book for VTU, and most of the teachers also refer it. In my college, many teachers referring KSC, they told it's a standard book. As a result, personally, if you are intermediate student, I would recommend this book. This book will actually clear concepts, give a good amount of practice, and with this and few papers, you can get 90 plus. Provided you don't do any silly mistakes in the exams. Yeah, but engineering mathematics is a very logical subject, and if you practice it, it will become easy. Usually, engineering people have misconceptions that the maths is very tough. No, it is not like that. As a result, I would want to rest today's discussion about the book review. And if you are interested, I have made second semester KSC book review as well. You can go and check it out. And thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.